Assalamu alaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of HT11. Now this is a premium smartwatch that you can currently buy from AliExpress. Link is in the description. Seller is Zorwing, and this watch comes with the Amoled display, 3 straps, so which is really good to see actually. So let me just quickly show you the straps that comes with inside the box. There is one inside the box, but 2 you get additional straps. Really premium quality, I must say. And you get these for free, which is also really nice to see. The color that I ordered this is in silver, so let me just quickly unbox this. Let me just peel the plastic. And the box looks really nice actually. The box looks similar to the other clone smartwatches. So let me just quickly open the box. And you can get this in black color as well, but I really like the silver color. Looks very premium, and the body looks like it has a stainless steel body, which I will show you in a few minutes. So let me just quickly put these to the side. And here is our watch. So as you can see, they already include a strap inside the box, and this one is also very good and premium looking. And inside the box we get our charging dock, which looks very similar to the other clone watches. So let's put that to the side, and here is our quick start guide, which we actually don't need. It's really easy to pair these watches, so I will show you guys in this video as well how to pair the watch with your smartphone. And you can pair this with your Android device and iOS devices, which is really nice to see. So let me just put that to the side. Now let's take the plastic from our watch. And the build quality, guys, I'm really impressed by the build quality. Looks amazing. Here, as you can see, looks very premium, stainless steel. And in this price range you get this type of smartwatch. Is amazing to see with an AMOLED display. The body, guys, I 100% say it's really premium. It looks fantastic in my opinion, in silver especially. So, and you also get these straps for free, which is also really nice to see. So there is a plastic on the screen as well to protect the screen from scratches. So let me just quickly remove it. And yeah, the display looks really amazing. The what you call the material that they are using on the display looks really premium. So let me just quickly turn this on. I don't know if it's this button or the other one. I believe it's on top. So yeah, you get a logo, and you can choose the language. So let me just quickly select. I believe you have to press the button. Yeah, and guys, check out the display quality. Let me know in the comments down below. This looks really amazing, and the colors look really vibrant and crisp. So you can change the watch faces. There are tons of watch faces that you can choose from, and you can download additional watch face from QI Fit application, which I'm going to show you in a few minutes. So let me just quickly select this one, and looks really premium. The watch itself, it's really fast compared to the other clone watches. So, but still I must say that HK10 Ultra is still one of the fastest clones in the market right now compared to all the other clone watches. DT watch is also very fast. So here, as you can see, here's another watch face. Looks really nice. Let's select this one. So yeah, overall the display looks really nice, and let me know in the comments down below if you are liking the display. So far it looks really good, and the bezel size is also very thin. So if you swipe from the top, you get quick settings toggle that you can change the brightness from, and you can turn the flashlight, or you can choose do not disturb mode. Here's the quick settings toggle. If we swipe from the bottom, you get your notifications. Swipe from the left, you get our weather application. There is activity mode, quick dial, and you can also select more widgets. Here's our weather application, music application that you can connect your Bluetooth earbuds as well. So you can choose, you can add more widgets. So yeah guys, the build quality is outstanding, and as you can see they are protecting the crown key from the side as well. So there are some stickers which I'm not going to remove right now. So as you can see, it's protected really well. It's quite difficult to actually remove these stickers. I'm going to remove these, and on the side it looks very premium guys, and back there is also a sticker on the back side. So the material that they are using guys, I'm really impressed by the material in this watch. So if we tap on crown key, you go into menu, and the crown key feedback is also really nice. You can scroll, you can rotate the crown key, you get a haptic feedback, which is very nice, and the animations look smooth. So let's select another. Let's go into always on display, and there are only two themes, analog and digital. It also has palm gesture, which is really nice to see, and as you can see, it looks really good. I must say that always on display is a little bit dimmer compared to the other watches, but the menu guys is fast compared to some of the clone watches. I will not say that it is the fastest compared to HK10 Ultra 3, but still it's very good. And this menu style is also looking really nice. So let's change it back to digital, and here as you can see, it looks very nice. So let's select this watch face, and you can lock the watch faces. And there are a lot of applications. So here is our heart rate application, and as you can see, as quickly it shows us the error message that we are not wearing the watch. And let me put it on a table. So still it is giving us the same error. Let me remove the plastic from the back, and then we will measure the heart rate. So let me just quickly open the heart rate application, and as you can see, the heart rate sensor that they are using is really nice. So that means they are not using the cheaper which measures on the table as well. If you put the watch on the table, it thinks that you are wearing the watch. And I must say guys, they are using a really good heart rate sensor. As you can see, it's now measuring, which is very nice to see. And the build quality is stunning guys. It's looking really premium. So let me just quickly pair it with our smartphone, and let's download another watch face. So let's quickly grab our phone, and now you can easily search the application on the App Store, but I will search it from the QR code. Here is the QR code, and let me open the camera application. Now let's scan it. It will redirect you to App Store, so that way you can easily install the application for pairing your smartwatch. So as you can see, QI Fit Pro. So let me just download it, and then we will pair our watch. So yeah, after downloading, just open the application and turn on your Bluetooth as well. So as you can see, let me just quickly turn on the Bluetooth. HT11, as you can see. Allow, click on pair. And yes, synchronizing now. So there are tons of watch faces that you can download, but you have to delete some of the watch faces. So let me just quickly download a watch face. As you can see, it's now popping up. Select this one and let me just quickly download this. So as you can see, I've told you there are many watch faces pre-installed. You have to remove some of the watch face to install a new one. You can only uninstall one watch face, and then you can download another watch face as per your liking. So now it's downloading. And yeah, the installation is really fast, as you can see. I really like when the new watch faces installation takes less time to install. So as you can see, really fast compared to the other watches. On HT10 Ultra 3 it is also really fast. So I do believe this watch is IP68 rating, but I'm not sure. And yeah, now it's installed. Looks really nice. As you can see, because of the Amoled display, looks really premium. So the raise to wake feature is also working very nice, as you can see. And looks really good on the wrist. So here is the other strap that we get for free, and this one looks stunning, guys. You can adjust the height as per your wrist size. So yeah, looks really amazing, guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you are liking this watch. Really premium, guys. I'm really impressed by the build quality. There are 3 buttons on the side. The top one is for turning on and off the device, and the bottom one, the end one, you can choose a shortcut application like flashlight or sports mode. I will set it up to sports mode, and now let's press it, and let me just quickly show you the sports mode animation. So here, as you can see, really nice. And yeah, I removed the stickers from the side, and I really like this strap. So yeah, overall the watch is really nice, guys, and I highly recommend you to purchase this. I will put the link in the description, and if you like this video, please click on that like button. It really helps the channel a lot, and thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.